Hey guys, welcome back and hoping you had a good trading day as I did. So today was amazing day. I just can't believe how the market reacted. I just want to show you just this SPY. Look, this is where it started. This is where I traded it. But yeah, welcome back again. If you're new here, thank you for checking. And if you've been here before in my channel, I am glad you're back for another video that I would like to share with you. So what is in today's video? It's basically a breakout open range. What it means is we want to be able to buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. So in any direction of the stocks. So we are looking at the SPY. What if we could buy here, down here, and sell here? Anywhere that we feel like it's our ratio met, right there. Okay. So today's video is all about buying low, selling high with guarantee return without any chop up and without any stop loss triggered. So let's jump right into it. So as you can see, I'm on this stock list and I'm looking at, we can check randomly whatever one, so it's not pre-planned, and we'll see which one would work better. Okay, let's just Google it. Google would be Alphabet would be a good, I guess, demonstration. And here is what we are going to check. This line here, the blue line, is basically a view up. But we can also hide this so we don't have any noise. So what we're gonna do, we wanna line up our pre-market high, which is here, and pre-market low, which is here. So the strategy is basically pre-market high breakout. And what we're gonna do is literally going and mark this area with the box, triangle box. So we have some visualization on this area. As soon as the market open, this is before market, of course. Let's say we are here. As soon as the market open, we are gonna go give it at least 5 minutes. So that's why I'm on a 5 minutes chart. Let's go open a 5 minutes chart. We wait for the 5 minutes to close above this line. We're not gonna get into this trade unless the 5 minutes chart closes above this chart, like so. As I'm seeing it here, this closed above this chart, this bar. So as you can see, that's the one we're gonna get in right here. None of my writing drawing is not showing up. This is where we're gonna get in, and of course our stop would be just below this line. So that's a simple strategy that works all the time. This is Google. Let's try different stock just to see what else. Nvidia. Of course, Nvidia. It's running after hours. And as I said, we're gonna look for the breakout above the pre-market high. And in this case, if you can see, in this case, this was our area, but we would have been entered if it closes above, which is right here. So right here, if this is a candle, we go in, So if this is a candle we got in, our out would have been just here because it's got stopped out. So that didn't really work. So of course it's not going to work in every scenario, but let's look at Amazon. Amazon. Amazon would have worked as well if we go to Amazon and we mark the low of the pre-market high and low. Actually, this didn't work because it never closed over pre-market high. Meta. Let's see Meta. We are in 5 minutes candle, right? So Meta pre-market was really high. So this also never works. So what is also another criteria that has to be met? It's the timing. We only do this within the first half an hour. After the first half an hour after open, we should be aware of the market, the slowness and volume. This happened in this scenario almost the market around like 3 o'clock. So that's pretty late. We're not going to trade that. This is only for first half an hour. Microsoft, there you go. Microsoft was another good example. If we mark the high and low and we create a box around it just for our visual ease, as soon as the market open 5 minutes through market, we wait for 5 minutes candle to close, and next candle opens, and if it doesn't close above the line, we won't get in. So we wait for the third one. This one is perfectly met. So, and this is where we get in. So assuming this was our area to get in, and we got in here, and we rode all the way to your area of exit. So what is my area exit? My area of exit would be previous day high or low. Okay. If I go to day 1 hour, Microsoft did not really have previous high because today was the Microsoft run. But assuming if that was the case, we could go daily and find our daily high. So Microsoft would have been exiting around the next high would be in here, which hasn't really been coming to that. So but if you have a 1 to 3 ratio, you would have been out by that. So yeah, let's go to another one. SMCI would have been probably a good one. SMCI, the same story, market pre-market high, pre-market low. We make a box around it, right? We just want to make sure we see it, we don't miss it. We make a box around it. And we wait for this. That could be other way around. It could be going short. So if it breaks downtrend, if it breaks down and it breaks and goes through downtrend, we follow our short if we're going to short or put. So I usually do call or put. So that would have met perfectly at the same day here around yeah, in first 1 hour, because this is a 5 minutes chart, right? 10 minutes, 20, 30, 45 minutes we got in, And if we look at the previous high and low, maybe this one also doesn't have. So previous days they were going down, and this is where we're going to line up our, this is our exit. That was the closest previous high, which is this right here. So we would have got out that much in the money. So if we go to long position, look at your stop. Your stop would be so minimal that you wouldn't even really stopped out at all. There's no way you could have been stopped out here. Because look, the candle never came below this line, and you would have made a lot of money depending on, of course, your size. Assuming this is your line, I would definitely would have got out around this when the double top happened. So the ratio was perfect, 1 to 5. So that's the open breakout range, or OBR. If you are interested, test it out. I have been doing this trade for almost 6 months or so, and I've been always mostly maybe 75 to 80% win rate. And I really suggest you guys try it, test it out. Don't hesitate to maybe paper trade, but once this is pretty much the map of trading successfully. So you already have defined risk. That's the thing. We don't want undefined risk, and this is it. I actually have indicator that I use, and it lines up all my entry. So this is where my entry was, and there you go. Never got stopped out. If you're interested for that trading view indicator, just comment below indicator, and we call it OBR. So if you are interested, just comment OBR indicator and I send it to you. So I hope you guys watched that video and you enjoyed it. And if you have any question, don't forget to leave it in a comment. And I am appreciating if you could, appreciate if you could like the video, share it, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. So until next video, have a wonderful trading day.